Most people dream about retiring as millionaires, picturing themselves free from financial worries, traveling, relaxing, or maybe just finally spending some time doing exactly what they love, maybe their hobby. But here's a harsh reality check. According to a recent bank rate survey, 77% of current retirees rely on Social Security to cover necessary expenses. And a separate report from the National Reserve Mortgage Lenders Association found that 67% of older Americans depend on Social Security for more than half of their income. And 27% rely entirely on Social Security, with the average retired worker benefit at $1,976 per month, according to the Social Security Administration. It's easy to see why so many retirees face constant financial anxiety. The reality is, retirement today looks vastly different than it did for previous generations. Decades ago, retirement resembled a sturdy, three-legged stool, supported equally by Social Security, pensions from your employer, and personal savings. But today, pensions are practically extinct, replaced by 401ks and other retirement accounts, which put all the investment risk squarely on the individual's shoulders, as well as the onus to actually put the money aside. And thanks to rising living costs and stagnant wages, personal savings have diminished drastically. Now, instead of resting comfortably, retirees balance precariously on just two shaky legs: Social Security and whatever savings that they manage to scrape together. Simply put, in the current era, the responsibility for your retirement falls entirely on you. And this raises a crucial question. Is there an age where it simply becomes too late to retire a millionaire? At what point does building enough wealth become mathematically impossible? To figure this out, first let's set some clear guidelines. We'll assume a typical retirement age of 65. Most financial advisors agree that a comfortable retirement involves having around $1.5 million saved, which allows you to withdraw roughly $60,000 a year following the 4% rule without any fear of running out. Historically, the stock market returns an average of around 7% per year adjusted for inflation, so those will be our baseline assumptions. Now, let's break it down, decade by decade, precisely when becoming a millionaire in retirement shifts from realistic to unrealistic. Beginning in your 20s. For most 20-year-olds, retirement isn't even on their radar yet. Life's all about finding a job, paying off student debt, and enjoying some newfound freedom that you didn't have when you were living with your parents. But ironically, your 20s are your greatest advantage, thanks to the power of compound interest. For instance, if you manage to invest around $70,000 by the age of 25, challenging but achievable with discipline and a good job, that amount could grow to $1.5 million by retirement with no additional contributions whatsoever. But consider the alternative. If you wait until you're 40 to start investing, you need to aim to have at least 4 times that amount, around $270,000 to reach the same goal, because you lose 15 critical years of compounding. Even if saving tens of thousands of dollars by your late 20s feels daunting, incremental steps still have significant impact. If by age 29 you'd saved $50,000, contributing about $500 per month, you'd comfortably get past the $1.5 million mark. And this highlights the crucial principle of retirement planning. Starting early is far more important than how much money that you're initially able to invest. Moving into your 30s, the math shifts noticeably. Life becomes busier, more expensive, with mortgages, children's, career advancements, and increasing expenses, all competing for your paycheck. Yet, your 30s mean powerful years financially. This is where you still have plenty of runway left, though the urgency starts to become paramount. If at 30 you have no savings, you need around $880 monthly to achieve that $1.5 million by age 65. It's still attainable, but it requires consistent discipline. But consider this. By aggressively saving even modest amounts earlier, say reaching $100,000 by age 35, you'd lower your future monthly contributions drastically. Those earlier efforts pay off massively, relieving financial pressure later in life. Another important strategy during your 30s is maximizing your employer 401k matches if they offer one. Many employers will match your retirement contributions up to a certain amount, basically doubling your investment. It's free money. Neglecting these opportunities is leaving free money on the table, something that far too many people overlook early in their careers. In addition to these strategies, your 30s are also an ideal time to evaluate your career trajectory. Investing in yourself through acquiring new skills, obtaining certifications, or even just pursuing and pushing for promotions or new job opportunities can significantly increase your earning potential. Higher income leads directly to greater savings and easier contributions, which make your retirement goals much more achievable. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button so more people can see it, drop a comment with your retirement goals, and subscribe if you want more straight up financial breakdowns like this one. All right, let's keep going. Once you enter your 40s, retirement planning becomes critically urgent. At age 40, if you've saved nothing yet, you'd need nearly $1,900 a month in contributions to hit that $1.5 million mark by 65. And that's more than double what was required just 10 years prior. Many people in their 40s realize this way too late, suddenly confronted by the harsh mathematics of lost time. However, even if millionaire status becomes difficult, achieving financial security is still entirely possible. Focus just shifts towards aggressive debt reduction, improving your savings rate by cutting discretionary spending, and boosting your income streams where possible. Side hustles, freelancing, or consulting opportunities often become viable and necessary strategies at this stage. Every additional dollar earned in your 40s could significantly alter your retirement trajectory. Additionally, prioritizing contributions to tax advantage accounts like IRAs, Roth IRAs, HSAs, it really helps accelerate your retirement savings while lowering your taxable income, which is a valuable strategy that's often underutilized. But let's be realistic. Once you're in your 50s, catching up on retirement savings becomes brutally challenging. At 50, starting from scratch, you'd need contributions exceeding $5,000 per month to hit that $1.5 million by 65. For most people, this is simply unattainable. Compound interest no longer has enough time to build your wealth. Your own contributions need to carry nearly the entire load. However, if you're behind at this stage, it's crucial not to give up entirely. Now is the time for dramatic action. Downsize your home, sell any unnecessary vehicles or property that holds value, significantly cut your lifestyle expenses, and focus entirely on debt elimination. Your goal is shifting from becoming a millionaire to ensuring that you don't retire financially insecure or entirely dependent on Social Security or bankrupt or homeless. It's also valuable to consider strategies like delaying your Social Security benefits, which can substantially increase your monthly income in retirement. Even if becoming a millionaire is no longer realistic, making smart decisions now can still dramatically improve the quality of life later on. One critical aspect often overlooked is preparing for unexpected events, such as health emergencies, market downturns, or even periods of unemployment. Establishing an emergency fund, even later in life, provides essential security, helping ensure that sudden financial shocks don't permanently derail your retirement plan. Additionally, educating yourself about investment options suited to your stage in life can make a huge difference. While younger investors can afford to take greater risks for higher returns, those in their 40s or 50s, they might benefit from more of a balanced approach. Diversifying their investments across stocks, bonds, and even real estate can really help protect your savings from market volatility. It's also essential to factor in potential healthcare expenses. As you age, healthcare costs typically rise significantly during your retirement years. And even those who consider themselves pretty healthy today, you must account for increased expenses later in life because you're not always going to be so healthy, no matter how hard you try. Considering options like long-term care insurance or health savings accounts, HSAs, early on can prevent medical costs from completely draining your retirement accounts. And finally, lifestyle decisions as you approach retirement carry enormous weight. Simple changes like reducing dining out expenses, avoiding new debts, and just learning to enjoy some low-cost hobbies, not car stuff, can substantially enhance your savings. Frugality, practiced diligently, can mean the difference between stress-filled years and genuine peace of mind in retirement. So let's clearly summarize our question. When exactly is it officially too late to retire as a millionaire? Realistically, from a purely mathematical and statistical standpoint, if you haven't started seriously saving by maybe your mid-40s, a millionaire retirement status becomes exceedingly difficult to achieve without extraordinary income or a windfall event. But let's not close on despair. Even if the millionaire milestone proves elusive, retirement comfort remains within reach if you're disciplined enough. If you're younger, let this be your wake-up call to start immediately. Every day you delay makes it harder. If you're older, remember, every positive action improves your financial future, even if a millionaire status isn't realistic. Ultimately, retirement planning isn't merely about achieving millionaire status. It's about financial security, about freedom from stress. The message here is clear and urgent. When you start saving matters more than how much you initially save. Begin today, make consistent efforts, and you'll thank yourself profoundly later. Remember, Your future lifestyle and happiness depend entirely on the financial choices that you make right now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start planning and investing today. Every decision counts, and your future self desperately needs you to act immediately. Now, if you got value out of this video or just enjoyed some entertainment, make sure to like, comment below, and subscribe. I read every comment, and I'd love to hear where you're at in your retirement journey, whether you're ahead of the curve, or if you're just getting started, or if you haven't even started yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.